Hello, this video will show you how to install and use the DialPad SMS texting extension for Zoho CRM. Once you download the extension from the store, you would get to a page like this. You just click through it. You could select a free trial, monthly, annually. Select the free trial. Now that it's installed, we're going to navigate over to DialPad Account Manager. It's one of your modules. If you don't see it, just click on the three dots. Okay. Add your DialPad account. Each user will have to add their own account, just like you normally would do with telephony or email in Zoho CRM. If you don't see it show up right away, just hit refresh. You could click edit. Make sure your phone number is selected. Also very important, if you are out of a different data center, not .com, not the US data center, but EU or Canada, you would, before you do any of this, you would want to select your data center region here. These are the fields that the SMS will look for when it's coming in to match the record. So if you're not using the mobile field or the phone field in the leads module, you would just want to delete it. If you're not using the phone or mobile field in the context module, you would just want to delete it. So it's very important that it's always the active fields that show up here. If you're using a different custom mobile or phone field, you just want to add it here. This is all you need to do to set up. And now in order to send a text message, you navigate over to a lead, you press the button, and then you get the widget DialPad SMS. Send it out. Now that it's came in to my text message and also received the back message that I sent back in the widget. This is where you select which field you are texting. In this lead, the mobile field is empty. That's why you get that message. And this is your account selector. Here you could add templates that you would reuse easily, also called as scan messages. Just click the plus sign, create your message. In the message field, you also could select the template editor, which is going to enable you to do merge fields in the template message field. So you want to click this. This will navigate your way, so you're going to want to add the name again. This could be selected to which module you're going to be using this template, just like you would do your normal Zoho CRM email templates. We're going to select in the lead module, and you could just do this, create it, and now you have a template. And if you are back at the leads, that template will show up when you want to send it. Right here in the template, second icon, you could click the little I. It will show you what it looks like when it fills in the text. You could click use. It inserts into the text box, but it doesn't send it for you. You would have to still press send. And that's how that works. And it just came in. This is your account that you already authorized. It shows you again. And ChatGPT is where you could put in your API key from GPT and have ChatGPT write your text messages. So if I want to show that real quick, let me get an API key. Now that I saved the API key, I could write a prompt to ChatGPT. There it is. I could take this message, copy it, insert it into my messages, and send it out. We also save all these messages that you created via ChatGPT so you could reuse it and not use your API credits. And we also save all the incoming and outbound messages in a custom module right here, which you could tweak the look and feel of it. And so there you go. And you could create workflows and other things. For example, if people write back stop, you could create the workflow that catches that from this module and disables texting again. And we could help with that if you require help. The other thing that we could do is we could create response bots. So with a response bot, you could create a message that people respond yes or no. And then when that response comes in, then you could have another message saying, okay, for example, you could say, is today a good time to meet? They say no. Then the follow-up message could be, what's a better time to meet? And then they reply to you. You could create that message automatically. And finally, but not least, one of my favorite features is you could create workflows that automatically message users when a trigger happens. And you could do that with creating a module, creating a record, because every time you create the record in DialPad SMS module, it will send a text message. What you're going to want to do is the to field is going to send to the this is where you're going to put the authorized number. You could even use yeah, that's it. So then we'll do this. And a lead is created. I forgot to put the message. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're gonna need a text message. So yeah, that's how that works. Automatic text message just arrived. And that's that. And all of these features are explained in separate videos in detail. So please check out our support page at support.digitaltransformationmanagement.ai. Thank you.